Hello everyone. Our lesson today is about applications on the real numbers. First, we want to remember some important rules. The perimeter of the square equals side times 4. Side is the length of the side length of the square. The area of the square is side times side or side power 2. The perimeter of the rectangle equals length plus width all times 2. The area of the rectangle equals length times width. Okay. The circumference of the circle, which meaning the perimeter of the circle, equals 2 pi r. Pi, which is 22 over 7, r, the radius length of the circle. The area of the circle, pi r squared. Okay. We studied before the area of the sphere, 4 pi r squared, and the volume of the sphere, 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay. In some solids like cube, cuboid, and cylinder, the lateral area equals the perimeter of the base times the height. It's a general rule. The perimeter of base times the height, which is the lateral area. The total area equals the lateral area plus 2 times the area of base. The volume equals the area of base times the height. So in any solid, first we want to know the base is in form what? Circle or square or rectangle and so on. In the cube, its base is a square. Cuboid, its base is a rectangle. Cylinder, its base is a circle. So cube, its base is square. Cuboid, its base is a rectangle. In the cylinder, its base is a circle. Okay. For example, the total area of the cylinder, we said the lateral area of the cylinder, lateral area, the perimeter times the height, perimeter or the circumference. So circumference equal 2 pi r times the height h. The total area, lateral area plus 2 multiply area of base. Lateral area 2 pi r h plus 2 area of base, which is circle by r squared. The volume of the cylinder, volume equal area of base times height. Base in the cylinder is circle, so pi r squared h. Okay, in the cube, lateral area, okay, we said before بقى 4l squared, total area 6l squared, volume l cubed. Okay, let's take some examples. Number 1, a cube with volume 125 centimeter cubed. Before we get the unknown or the total area or the lateral area, first in any example write the rule. Here we talk about the volume, so first write the rule of the volume of the cube. First, the volume of the cube, which is L power 3. By substitution, the volume here is 125. So L power 3 equals 125. It's an equation. We want to get the unknown, which is L, the edge length of the cube. So take the cubic root to the both sides. So L equals cubic root to 125, which is 5, and don't forget to write the unit centimeter. Okay. You want to get the total area and the lateral area. Okay, first, the total area. Which is 6 L power 2. 6 multiply L power 2, L 5, so L power 2, 5 power 2. In your calculator, 150. Don't forget centimeter squared because we talk about the area. Okay, the lateral area. Which is 4 L squared. Also substitution, 4 multiply L5 all squared, which is 100 centimeter squared. Let's take another example. The height of a cuboid is 4 centimeter. Okay, and its base is a square. The base of a cuboid, James, is a rectangle. Here is a special case. So the base of a cuboid in this example is a square. Okay, of side length 5 centimeter. So S here is 5 centimeter. Write the volume, lateral area, and the total area. Okay, first the volume of the cuboid. We said before, in general, the volume of cube or cuboid or cylinder is the area of base times the height. Here, the base is a square, so area of a square, which is side times the height. By substitution, here side length is 5 centimeters, so 5 times the height, which is 4. In your calculator, the result will be 100 centimeter cubed because we talk about the volume. Okay, number 2, the lateral area. So the lateral area also in general equals the perimeter of base times the height. The perimeter of the square, base here is a square, so side times 4 times the height. By substitution, side length here is 5 centimeters, so 5 times 4 times the height, 4. The result will be 80 centimeters squared. Finally, the total area. Total area equal the lateral area plus 2 area of base. Okay, lateral area we said before 80 plus 2 area of base which is area of square, which is side times side here 5 times 5. Okay, which the result will be 130 centimeters squared. Okay, question number 3. The area of circle is 25 by centimeter squared. First, write the law of the area of circle. Since the area of circle, which is by r squared. Okay, the area here 25 by substitution, therefore 25 by equals by r squared. Divide both sides by, so cancel by with by. We get r squared equals 25. It's also an equation. We want to get the unknown, which is r. So take the square root to the both sides. When we take the square root, we write positive or negative. But here we talk also the positive square root to 25 because we talk about the length. We don't have the negative length. Okay, so r equals 5 centimeter. Calculate its circumference in terms of pi. What is meaning in terms of pi? Done substitution by pi. Okay, so circumference equal 2 by r equal 2 multiply r, which is 5, multiplied by. Don't substitution with by. Okay, so the result will be 10 by, don't forget centimeter. Number 4, the right circular cylinder is of height 10 centimeter. Okay, and its volume is 1540 centimeter cubed. Find its total area. Okay, here we have the volume. So first write the volume of the cylinder. Since the volume of the cylinder, which is area of base times the height. Area of base, which is base here in the cylinder, is circle. So area of base by r squared. So area of base by r squared times h. Okay. The volume here 1540. So write 1540. Okay. By substitution, the height here is 10 and by is 22/7. So 22/7 multiplied r squared multiplied 10. All of this equals 1540. Okay, we want to get the unknown, which is r squared. Okay, so first calculate 22/7 times 10 will be equal. Okay, we want to get r squared, so move 220/7 in the other side by divided. Okay, so r squared equal 1540 divided 220/7. Using your calculator, r squared equals 49. Okay, we want to get r, so take the positive square root to 49, which is 7 centimeter. Okay, find its total area. The total area equals lateral area plus 2 area of base. Lateral area here, perimeter times the height. So perimeter or circumference 2 by RH plus 2 area of base by r squared. By substitution, 2 multiply 22/7 multiply r here 7 multiply 10 height plus 2 multiply 22/7 r 7 power 2. All of this in your calculator, the result will be 748 centimeter squared. Okay, another example. The volume of a sphere is 500/3 pi centimeter cubed. Find the length of its diameter. What's the meaning of diameter? The diameter equals to r. So we want to get the unknown r. Okay, we said before the volume of a sphere. So first write the law of the volume of a sphere. Since the volume of a sphere equal 4/3 by r cubed. By substitution, so 500/3 by equals 4/3 by r cubed. Okay, divided by pi, so cancel pi with pi. So 4/3 r cubed equal 500/3. We want to get r cubed, so move 4/3 in the other side by divided. So r cubed equals 500/3 divided 4/3. And therefore r cubed equal, using your calculator, the result will be 125. Okay, take the cubic root. R will be 5 centimeter. Okay, find the length of the diameter as we said, since diameter equals to r, which is 2 multiply r, 5, which is 10 centimeter. The last example. A right circular cylinder is of height 6 centimeter and its volume equals 2/3 the volume of a sphere. Here we have two solids, sphere and cylinder, and the relation between their volumes. The volume of a sphere, the volume of a cylinder equal 2/3 the volume of a sphere. Okay, First, write this relation, the volume of cylinder equal 2 over 3 the volume of sphere. Okay, write the rule. The rule of the volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder equal the area of base times the height. Area of base, which is area of circle, by r squared times the height, equals 2 over 3 multiply the area of a sphere. Sorry, the volume of a sphere, which is 4 over 3 by r cubed. Okay, by substitution. Here, the height of the cylinder is 6. So by, which is 22 over 7, or cancel by with by. Okay, first cancel by with by. Okay, يبقى r squared times the height here 6 equals 2 over 3 multiply 4 over 3 multiply r cubed, the radius of the sphere, which is 3. So 3 power 3. Okay, يبقى r squared times 6 equals 3 يبقى 2 8 8 times 3 which is 24. Okay, we want to get r squared, so move 6 in the other side by divided, so r squared equals 24 divided 6, therefore r squared equals 4. We want to get the value of r, so take the positive square root 4, which is 2 centimeter. Okay, so the radius of equals 2 centimeter. Okay, thank you.